Hey, what's going on, guys? The coding world here, and today we're going to talk about Drupal. What Drupal is a content management system designed on the web that uses a database as its backing, and it's one of the bigger ones. If you heard of WordPress, which we talked about last week, this is like slightly smaller than that, but it has wider range of applications. Because it uses a database as its backing, it allows you to collaborate with more people, and it's great for big business. And today I'm going to teach you how to create a content structure and work your way through it. So you go over here. After you've installed Drupal, it'll take you to this main site. And up at the top you have how you work on it. So at the top you go to structure. And these are all your types of things. So when you design a Drupal site, what you want to do is think of it from a data structure standpoint. Like has-a, is-a relationships, all that kind of stuff. So we're going to go to content types. And we're going to create a new one. And we're going to name it viewers, like you guys. And you can put a description here. I'm going to say the people watching. Yeah, we'll call it title. So what this will do would be like if you're adding it to a view, it will look for the specific title. I'm going to call this viewer. And then, so now I've created the viewer data type, but all it has in is a body, which is just text. So to add more ideas to it, you can add, let's say there is a number, an integer, label it amount of times watched. It's only allowed one value. We'll just update it. Minimum is 0. Maximum, there is none. Prefix, suffix. So default to 0. So now, as a viewer, you have a amount of times watched. And I'll add another one. Pardon me. Let's go to a date. Label date viewed. And if you see this little thing here that says machine name, and it's like growing it, this is doing a lot of cool stuff in the background that Drupal does, where it's like setting up database tables and creating queries so that you don't have to write it. Date viewed. Current date. And now we have a viewer that has all this stuff in it. And I can go through a little example here. So over here we have, for a class, I had to create an instructor, a room, and a course. With manage fields, body, instructor, room, status. And you can see that room and instructor are part of a course. So you can actually link other content types to a singular content type. So if I go over here to content, I have all this stuff here. And at the top you hit add content, create a new viewer. Viewer's name is Bob. I like Bob. Summary. Bob is cool. Amount of views watched. He's watched like 1,000 videos or something like that. And he watched it yesterday. At 11 in the morning. I don't know. And I hit save. And then you have Bob. Bob was cool. And if I go to my home page here, there's two homes. I'm sorry. You'll see Bob should be in here. I don't know why Bob isn't in here. Oh, there he is. Yeah, sorry, need to refresh page. And there's Bob. Overall, it's a basic summary of Drupal and how to create a content structure and how to add content. Hope Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you next time.